Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made money while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. This is the power of passive income. In this video, I'm sharing 10 real passive income ideas that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. And the best part? Anyone can do this. Make sure to watch until the end because number 9 and number 10 are absolute game changers. Let's dive in. First up, we have dividend stocks. These are stocks from companies that pay you just for owning their shares. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Microsoft reward their investors with dividends regularly. Just imagine getting paid every few months without doing any extra work. To get started, check out dividend-focused ETFs like VYM or SCHD. Number 2, real estate crowdfunding. Think real estate is only for the rich? Think again. With real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can invest in real estate with as little as $10. These platforms let you earn rental income and appreciation without ever dealing with tenants or repairs. Number 3, selling digital products. Next, we have selling digital products. If you create something once, you can sell it forever, with no inventory or shipping. Think ebooks, templates, stock photos, or even Notion planners. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it super easy to get started. Number 4, print-on-demand merch. Ever thought about selling t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? With print-on-demand, you design it once, and companies like Printful or Redbubble do the rest. You never have to touch inventory, and you get paid every time someone buys your design. Number 5, high-yield savings accounts. This one is effortless. Instead of letting your money sit in a regular bank account, move it into a high-yield savings account like Wealthfront or AlleyBank. Some accounts pay 4 to 5% interest, which means your money is making money, even while you sleep. Number 6, affiliate marketing. One of the easiest ways to make money online is affiliate marketing. You recommend a product or service, and if someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Shopify, or Bluehost to start earning today. Number 7, YouTube automation. Did you know you can make money on YouTube without showing your face? By creating faceless, automated videos, you can earn ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate commissions. Tools like Pictory AI and Canva help you create content without recording anything. Number 8, renting out assets. Do you own a car, a spare room, even a camera? You can rent out your assets for passive income. Use Turo to rent your car, Airbnb for your home, and Fat Llama to rent out equipment. It's a great way to turn things you already own into money-making machines. Number 9, creating an online course. Got skills? Turn them into an online course. People are willing to pay for your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Kajabi let you sell courses on anything, whether it's cooking, coding, or personal finance. Number 10, real estate investment trusts. Want real estate income without buying property? REITs are the answer. They're stocks that pay you rental income from commercial properties like malls, hospitals, and apartments. Check out VNQ or O, Realty Income, to start investing today. There you have it, 10 passive income ideas that can make you money while you sleep. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more money-making tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.